Hi guys, my name is Michael Chung and welcome to another video of how to save money for your car repairs. And today I'm going to talk about what is general overhaul. What does it do? General overhaul means replacing all the oil seals, the general overhaul kit, the head gasket, the piston rings, the crankshaft main bearings, the conrod bearings, and then the truss bearings. And then they open up everything, wash all the interior with petrol or diesel, and double check all the tolerances such as the block flatness, see whether it is flat or not, the head flatness, the cylinder balls, the crankshaft bearing clearance, the valve clearance, everything. So how it is done? For cars, normal cars, small cars, K cars to 4-wheel drive, there are two ways. If it is a front engine, front wheel drive, the whole engine together with the gearbox will be taken out and dismantle the whole thing. But if it is a front engine rear wheel drive like 4-wheel drives, they will just remove the gearbox just leave it in the car, and then the whole engine will be lifted off and dismantle the whole thing. Okay. For heavy vehicles there are two ways. One is the whole engine except the gearbox remove out and dismantle, but some of the block is very heavy, it is quite difficult to do the job outside. So the block, just leave it on the lorry. Okay, just remove the oil pan, the head cover, the cylinder head, remove all the intake and exhaust, remove, but the block remains here. And then the cylinder liners can remove from here, the piston can remove from here, from below. Okay, so this is how it is done. Okay, I need to share with you guys what are the things that you can expect from a workshop who did or who is doing a general overhaul on your car. Okay, you need to ask whether there is a warranty from them. Okay, if there is like smoke, what they will do for you and see whether there is any oil leak. Okay, if there is oil leak within a certain period after the general overhaul, you can claim from them. Okay, ask them to repair for you. And then if there is engine loud noise, hopefully it will not destroy one of your bearings again. The workshop that you are asking is not doing a good job for you. Okay, it is a very labor intensive job. Okay? It takes time and it may incur high cost because of the labor cost is very high. And then you may notice some of the parts that is hidden from our eyes, because for example like pistons, okay, inside, okay, that may be replaced at the same time. So when you open up everything, you can inspect all of the parts, see whether it is damaged or not. So you can know whether there is a good news or bad news. Good news means if you open up the whole engine but there isn't much to repair, there isn't much parts that is destroyed, so no need to replace much. That is good news. Bad news means, for example, if you found out the piston has cracked, if you found out the valve has bent, that means the whole cylinder head valve guide maybe need to replace. Maybe you found the liner has leaked water, right? That means the liner either need to be machined or need to replace the liner. Before your engine get really destroyed, go to your nearest trusted workshop to double check and see whether it is okay to do a general overhaul. Okay, the next video is, should I do a general overhaul on my car? Okay, so now you know what is general overhaul. You know how labor intensive it is, how much time it may take. It may take up to minimum is 3 days for a small K car, up to 2 weeks, depends on whether the parts availability. okay, and then it is quite expensive because it is very labor intensive. It takes a lot of time, so you need to know whether you should do or not. Okay, this is my next video, so stay tuned for the next video. Save more money for your car repair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and then I'll see you guys soon. Please subscribe if you think this video helps you, and share if you guys can benefit your friends. If you've got any questions,